Since the Bronze Age, thousands of years ago, metal manufacturing has remained fundamentally unchanged. Until now.
At Titomic, we've developed the world's largest and fastest metal 3D additive manufacturing technology, Titomic Kinetic Fusion, or TKF. With this, we're ushering in a new age of metal manufacturing, the age of titanium.
With this patented process, we're redefining the limits of what's possible with metals manufacturing, enabling economical manufacturing with high-performance metal alloys, including titanium, at unprecedented speeds without size limitations.
With TKF, we've delivered the world's first and only industrial-scale metal additive manufacturing process, enabling the manufacture lighter, stronger and higher-performing metal components, faster and smarter than ever before.
The Titomic Kinetic Fusion process begins by feeding metal powder particles 5 to 105 micron in diameter into a stream of supersonic gas, accelerating them towards a substrate. The particles impact the substrate at such high velocity and with immense kinetic energy that as they collide, they plastically deform and mechanically bond with the surface. As these particles build layer upon layer, they fuse together to rapidly form strong, dense, 3D metal industrial scale parts at a rate of up to 75 kilos per hour at unparalleled size. As the parts are manufactured, they are built to near their final shape, then precision machined to final tolerance, removing up to 5 to 10% of material. In comparison, subtractive or traditional manufacturing parts are machined out of a block or billet of cast or forged metal, often requiring removal of 90% of material, an incredibly lengthy process. With Titomic Kinetic Fusion, we're drastically cutting the machine time and material waste by up to 80%. Paired with our leading build rates and on-demand manufacturing, this means Titomic Kinetic Fusion allows manufacturers to cut lead times from weeks, months or years to just days or hours.
TKF can fuse and build with a wide range of high-performance metals, including titanium, titanium alloys, copper, aluminium, steel and steel alloys, also specialty metals such as Inconel, Invar 36 and many, many more. Besides metals, Titomic can also fuse other materials with metals such as ceramic and titanium for ballistics and hypersonic protection, and more recently we've developed some significant IP for a process that combines titanium onto composites and even onto plastics as well. The process also fuses dissimilar metals to allow the creation of new parts with metals that previously could not be fused together because of their different melt temperatures. This unique ability allows existing metal parts to be reimagined to incorporate multiple new materials to greatly reduce weight while retaining strength and increasing corrosion and erosion resistance and consolidating parts manufacturing. Working with world-leading research institutions, we've validated this unique TKF process against international standards such as ASTM and ISO. Now, some of the world's leading manufacturers in defence and aerospace are utilising and exploring Titomic Kinetic Fusion to significantly reduce their lead time and costs while boosting productivity and performance of the parts they manufacture.
Titomic offers this capability through OEM manufacturing services, TKF systems, and certified research and development.
To further add to Titomic's unique proposition and capabilities, our processes on average has a 60% carbon footprint reduction. So we really see ourselves as the leader in green technology for the metals industry. And we are moving very strongly towards a future using advanced technology that is green and clean, providing future generations with sustainable manufacturing and resource management.
So, get in touch today to discuss how Titomic Kinetic Fusion can achieve your manufacturing goals.